Welcome to Studio X English Podcast. I'm Lina, and I am very happy to be here with you.
And I am Eric. I'm really glad you are listening today.
Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow, and it helps you practice English every day.
Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate you being here.
So now, let's talk about something very common, eating at a restaurant in English.
Oh yes, that situation makes many learners nervous. You are not alone if you feel that way.
You know, many people worry about ordering food. They are afraid to say the wrong thing.
I see that all the time. The waiter is waiting and the pressure feels real.
Well, I still remember my first time. My hands were shaking a little.
Oh really? That sounds stressful, but very honest.
Actually, I forgot a very simple word. I forgot how to ask for the menu.
Wow, that happens more often than people think. It even happens to confident speakers.
But you know what surprised me? The waiter was very patient and kind.
That's interesting. Most people really want to help.
Today, we want you to feel relaxed. You do not need perfect English.
Exactly. You only need clear and polite words.
Words like restaurant, order, and menu. These are simple but powerful words.
By the way, your smile also matters. A smile makes everything easier.
So now, imagine this moment. You walk into a restaurant calmly,
You sit down and open the menu. You know what to say.
and you feel proud of yourself because you are using English in real life.
That is the feeling we want for you. Confidence and comfort.
We will practice together, step by step, in a friendly and simple way.
So tell us in the comments, do you feel nervous ordering food in English at restaurants?
So now, imagine this moment. You arrive at a restaurant door.
Your heart feels a little fast, but you take a small breath.
You open the door slowly. You look around and smile.
That smile is important. It shows you are friendly.
You see the waiter or the host. They are standing near the entrance.
They look at you and wait. This is your moment to speak.
You can start very simply. You say hello or hi.
Yes, that is enough to begin. Simple words are powerful.
Then you ask for a table. You can say, a table for one, please.
Or a table for two, please, if you are with a friend.
You know, the word please helps a lot. It sounds polite and kind.
I agree. Please makes people smile back.
Sometimes learners forget the number. They feel stuck for a second.
Oh, really? That happens to me too.
Actually, you can use your fingers. You show 1 or 2 with your hand.
Wow, that is a great tip. Body language really helps.
The waiter may answer kindly. They might say, this way, please.
Or they say, follow me, please. That means you walk with them.
You do not need to answer much. You just follow and smile.
Yes, silence is okay here. Your smile does the work.
Sometimes there's a wait. The restaurant may be busy.
That's interesting. Waiting can feel uncomfortable.
But you can stay calm. You stand relaxed and look around.
You can nod and say, okay, that shows understanding.
Many learners think they must speak a lot, but that is not true.
I see. Less English is still good English.
This first moment is short, but it sets the feeling for everything.
So tell us in the comments, what feels hardest when you first enter a restaurant in English?
Now imagine you are sitting at the table. The menu is in front of you.
That moment feels exciting, but also a little confusing.
You open the menu slowly. You see many food names.
Oh yes, so many choices. It can feel overwhelming.
You notice different sections: starters, main courses, and desserts.
I see. The menu has a clear order.
Starters are small dishes. People eat them first.
Like soup or salad. That sounds simple.
Then come the main courses. This is the big meal.
Chicken, fish, pasta, these are common choices.
You do not need to read everything. You can choose one easy dish.
That's interesting. Simple choices feel safer.
Now the waiter comes back. They look at you and smile.
And they ask politely, "Are you ready to order?"
You have two easy answers: yes or just a minute, please.
Oh, really? That helps reduce pressure.
When you are ready, speak calmly. You can say, "I would like the chicken, please."
That sounds very polite. I like that sentence.
You can also say, "I'll have the chicken." It sounds natural and friendly.
Wow, both sentences work well.
The waiter may ask about drinks: water, juice, or soda.
And you answer the same way. "I would like water, please."
Sometimes learners say only the food name, but full sentences feel more confident.
I see. Confidence changes everything.
If you make a mistake, it is okay. The waiter will still understand you.
Yes, people are usually patient. They want to help.
Ordering food is a short moment, but it feels very powerful.
So tell us in the comments, what food do you feel most confident ordering in English?
So now the food is on the table. It smells really good.
Yes, this is the best moment. You feel relaxed and happy.
The waiter may come back soon. They smile and ask a question.
They often say, "Is everything okay?" That is very common.
You can answer very simply. You say, "Yes, it's good, thank you."
Or you can say, "It's delicious." That sounds very positive.
You know, delicious means very, very good. People love to hear that word.
Wow, that's interesting. One word can make someone smile.
Sometimes you need something, maybe more water or bread.
Oh, yes, that happens often. Your glass becomes empty.
First, you try to get attention. You can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me is very polite. It is never rude.
Then you ask clearly, "Can I have more water, please?"
That sounds perfect, simple and respectful.
You can use the same pattern. "Can I have more bread, please?"
I see. The sentence stays the same.
Some learners feel shy at this point. They worry about interrupting.
Actually, that is okay. It is part of restaurant life.
The waiter expects these questions. You are not a problem.
That's encouraging. It makes people feel calmer.
If everything is fine, you can relax. You eat and enjoy the moment.
Yes, you can talk with friends or enjoy quiet time.
During the meal, less English is needed. Short answers are enough.
That's true. You are doing great already.
This part builds confidence. You see that English works.
So tell us in the comments, what do you usually ask for during a meal at a restaurant?
After some time, the plates are empty. You feel full and satisfied.
Yes, that is a good feeling. The meal was enjoyable.
Then the waiter comes again. They clear the table gently.
And they may ask something sweet. Would you like dessert?
Oh yes, dessert sounds tempting. Cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Wow, dessert menus are dangerous. Everything looks good.
You can answer politely. You say, "Yes, please. I would like cake."
That sounds nice and clear. Very easy English.
After dessert, the meal is finished. Now it is time to pay.
Ah, yes, the bill moment. Some learners feel nervous again.
But it is very simple. You just need one sentence.
You can say, "Excuse me," then, "Can I have the bill, please?"
In some places, people say check. Both words mean the same.
That's interesting. Good to know for travel.
The waiter brings the bill. You look at it calmly.
You can pay with cash or you can use a card.
If you are not sure, ask kindly. Do you take credit cards?
That sentence is very useful. It saves stress.
You give the money or card. You can say, here you are.
That sounds very natural. People use it a lot.
After paying, you stand up slowly. You get ready to leave.
This is the final moment. It is polite to say something.
You smile and say, thank you. Then you say goodbye.
Simple words leave a good feeling. They show respect.
You walk out feeling proud. You used English successfully.
So tell us in the comments, which part feels hardest, dessert or paying the bill?
Now let's move forward calmly. Let's review some useful words together.
Yes, this is a good moment. Review helps everything feel clear.
First word is restaurant. It is the place where you eat.
Very common word. You see it everywhere.
Next word is menu. It shows food and drinks.
I see. The menu helps you choose.
Another important word is order. It means asking for food politely.
That word feels powerful. It starts the meal.
Then we used table. A table is where you sit.
Yes, a table for one or two. Very useful phrase.
Next word is waiter. This person helps you in the restaurant.
They bring food and the bill. They also answer questions.
We also used please many times. Please makes sentences kind.
I like that word. It changes the feeling.
Another word is delicious. It means very, very good food.
Wow, I love that word. It sounds happy.
We also practiced excuse me. It gets attention politely.
That one helps a lot. It feels respectful.
And finally, the word bill. It is the paper to pay.
Bill or check. Both are okay.
You see, these words are simple, but they work in real life.
Yes, you do not need many words, just clear ones.
If you practice these, you gain confidence. English feels less scary.
I agree. Practice brings comfort.
Before we finish, we want to thank you. You stayed with us until the end.
And if this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now tell us in the comments, which word will you use first at a restaurant?